Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the UPS model and current firmware. This matters because menu labels differ. Make sure the UPS is plugged into mains and that non-critical devices are off so you avoid queued overs. Once done, connect your laptop to the UPS using USB, serial, or network management port and sign in to the web or vendor utility with an admin account. These steps let you reach the configuration controls where power-saving features are located. So act now and open the interface. You now navigate to the UPS configuration. On models with an LCD, press menu settings Output or Energy. With software, open Output or Energy Saving. Look for Eco, Power Saving, or Standby mode and note if it's enabled or scheduled. If you manage the UPS via CLI or SNMP, query the Eco mode OID or run the show command to read the state. Make configuration changes only as an admin. When you change the setting, the UPS may briefly switch modes, so expect a short transition. You finish by disabling the Eco or Power Saving mode, choose Disabled or Off, and then apply and save the configuration. Some systems require a commit command or a reboot. After that, run a UPS self-test or simulate utility failure to confirm the unit stays online without switching to economy output. Make sure to monitor output waveform and logs for 15-30 minutes. If you see instability or unexpected switching, restore the previous setting and contact vendor support. This single troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.